Everyone got someone on YouTube. Oh, I'll borrow yours in, love it. You sure? Yeah, it's
Matt, chocolate.
yeah, I want me gloves on. I'm going for a fag.
Roy's got
Oh no, I just did that when I put my foot through.
Oh, well, they all would, wouldn't they? They're killing
I swear to God, if you've organised this, I will kill you.
Who's coming out now?
Sugar plum fairies. Robert, you could have had a shave.
Louise, you've got 80p more.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you.
That definitely will look good on all-wheel drive.
Laura was taking it off. She's taken it free, she said. And Shannon's taking it across, so this should be everyone else can wave away in the group. We've got a barbecue, don't we?
He was on the steering wheel. No point you going yet. Give a man a hug. Give a man a hug, Emma. Give a man a hug. Hey! Will you come with us? Twins now, babe.
How do they deal with it?
I'm being lean on.
Look at that.
I don't know, but I just thought. I won't be there when I get back.
No, Robert's going to do these on his little bike. You got
Can't wait for this.
Don't do that. Don't do
Sorry.
Whatever the best is. Yeah, I'm on 1-1, dude.
Oh, you get run over.
Oh my god!
Pink pants.
We're going to meet you. Is everyone here doing the noise now?
What?
Yeah, we're going to take up the road.
Rightio, here we go.